Welcome to Thermax Limited, Chinchwad Factory, Pune. We at Chinchwad Factory have manufacturing facility for heating business shell and tube boiler manufacturing, heating business coil type boiler, TBWES business boiler drum and coil manufacturing, EID division, fuel cell manufacturing, Enviro division, filter bag manufacturing. At Chinchwad Factory premises, Research Technology and Innovation Center is also located. We at the Chinchwad Factory are certified for ISO Management System for Quality, Occupational Health and Safety and Environment Management System. We are truly committed towards creating a workplace that ensures the safety and protects the health of our employees, our contractors, as well as our visitors. The following short video will help you familiarize with our occupational health and safety policy, procedure and expectations. In the next few minutes you will be briefed on the following topics: occupational health, safety and environment policy, basic health and safety rules at the site, how to respond in case of emergency, plant exit procedure. This is the occupational health, safety and environment policy. We continuously strive to build a safe working environment for everyone working at or on behalf of Thermax Limited. Thermax has 10 life-saving rules. Request you to follow those at all times when you are on site. I understand the risk associated with the work to be performed. I protect myself against falling from a height and prevent the fall of any object. I keep a safe distance from any suspended load. I ensure the isolation of all sources of energy from the equipment or system before working on them. I ensure that the air and work environment are safe before entering a confined space. I use appropriate aid for material handling. I only use machines that are properly guarded. I drive safely. I always wear personal protective equipment. I stop unsafe work. Now let us get acquainted with the basic health and safety rules at the site. During your visit to plant, you must have entered the plant through Eco Building Gate, EERC Gate or Main Gate. You will receive Visitor ID and Gate Pass after going through the Safety Induction Protocol. Display the visitor's ID prominently throughout your visit in the plant. Inside the plant premises there are 3 mandatory PPEs: head protection, safety helmet, eye protection, safety goggles, and foot protection, safety shoes. Ensure appropriate PPEs before entering the plant. Be accompanied by the person you are visiting. Do not move around to areas other than specified in your visitor appointment unless authorized to do so. Please be alert, look for safety signs and instructions, and do not interfere with any equipment. Check the personal protective equipment, that is PPE, whenever required. Observe PPE signs. Take assistance of your host. Photography is not allowed in the plant without prior approval. All forms of tobacco use are banned on site. Entering in the premises under the influence of alcohol or drugs and bringing alcohol, drugs or weapons inside the premises is strictly prohibited. Thermax being a heavy equipment manufacturer factory, there's a lot of movement of very heavy material in the factory. So strictly maintain a 2-meter distance from material handling equipment. Look out for shifting of suspended load over while passing on the road and also while on the shop floor. Do not stand below or pass below the suspended load. Visitors are not allowed to enter the restricted areas like M&GL, MRS station, diesel storage area and transformer yard. Under emergency preparedness, we have firefighting arrangements with the fire hydrant network and other required firefighting facilities. We have an occupational health center equipped with all first aid facilities operated by a certified male nurse and area-wise trained first aider. We also have 24/7 ambulance and are equipped with AED for dealing with emergency. In case of emergency, contact telephone number extension 3000 from any telephone extension in the factory. In case of medical emergency, call Occupational Health Center at 2506. On the screen you can see the telephone extensions for security, main gate and safety department. Do not dial the number in any other scenario. Now let's look at the emergency evacuation procedure to be followed. In case of emergency, you will hear an announcement. Do not panic, do not run. Our emergency response team members are trained to handle emergency situations. In such event, remain in your designated area. If instructed by ERT members, report to the assembly point through nearest emergency exit route. Once the risk is mitigated, ERT team will confirm the situation. Only after that you are allowed to resume the activity for which you are at the site. Visitors are requested to report any HSE observations by scanning the Thermax Life application QR code available at multiple locations in factory. Now let us look at the plant exit procedure. Remember to collect your belongings. Hand over the gate pass and visitor badge to the security personnel at the gate. At Thermax, our goal is to provide a safe working environment for all our employees, contractors and visitors. We are fully committed and equipped for a safe visit of our facility. Thank you for your patience. Be safe today and every day.